Welcome back, everybody. So I'm here in Sisters, Oregon for the second installment of the triple challenge of the Gravel Grinder series. This is the Cascade Gravel Grinder. Made some changes for this race, so it's actually the first time I'm getting to walk you guys through my setup. So this is a 2024 Giant Revolt and a medium large, running a SRAM axis force 2x, a little bit unique, and running a 1044 cassette with a 4331, I believe, or 4330 crankset up front. Opted for the Vittoria Terreno XC Race tires in 2.1. They're mountain bike cross-country race tires. They're a little bit chunky. Like just barely any clearance there, you can see. Yeah, that's enough, but probably wouldn't be running it if it was a muddy course. It is supposed to rain at around 2 p.m. tomorrow. I'm hoping to be hitting the last climb just about when it rains, so I did pick up the Apidura racing frame bag. I have a Gore lightweight jacket and a Castelli pair of full finger gloves, if in case the weather does roll in faster, just an emergency one. And then I got Silca Matone seat bag and basically all my rescue gear. It's pretty neat. And I got the Dark Speed 690D, I believe. For the top two bag, has my nutrition, has a Silca gravelero pump. Oh, and the tires are actually laced to the Reserve 4044 GR gravel specific wheel set. And I'm running the Coefficient road race handlebars in a size 42, Hammerhead Karoo 2 for my bike computer, and actually I'm planning on running an Insta360 Go3 camera right there. Yeah, pretty stoked about it. Let's see how it goes tomorrow.